course they are. That's what it's all about, isn't it? That's what it's always been about. Gifts. Gifts. Gifts, 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 gifts. You want to know what happens to your gifts? They all come to me. In your garbage. You see what I'm saying? In your garbage. I could hang myself with all the bad Christmas neckties I found at the dump. And the avarice. The avarice never ends. I want golf clubs, I want diamonds, I want a pony so I can ride it twice, get bored, and sell it to make glue. Look, I don't want to make waves, but this whole Christmas season is stupid, stupid, stupid. There is, however, one teeny tiny Christmas tradition I find quite meaningful. Mistletoe. Now pucker up and kiss it, Whoville! Uh-oh. Somebody's fabulous! All right, your turn. God. Let's go. Excuse me, old timer. Mind if I wet my whistle?
Well,
That's my good stuff.